Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Google Gemini Nano Banana that not working problem in 2025. A lot of users are experiencing issues like Nano Banana not responding, taking forever to load, or not working at all. So let's go step by step and fix it. First thing you need to do is make sure your Gemini app is fully updated. Just go to Google Play Store and then just search for Gemini like this. And then next just tap update if it's available. Because if your app is outdated, Nino Banana may not work properly. And then next just update all Google apps like this. This step is very important because Gemini is deeply connected to other Google services, so you can also need to update all Google related apps such as Google App, Google Play services, and then Google Chrome and many more. And after that, just restart your phone and then just try Gemini again. And if Nano Banana is still not working, let's clear all the cache. Just go to settings and then just go to apps, search for Gemini like this, and then go to storage, and then next just clear cache, and then just tap on OK. And once done, just reopen Gemini and then check if Nano Banana works normally. And then if it's still not working, this is the final and the most effective solutions. Right now, Gemini has Gemini 3 Pro, which has limited access. Sometimes it's very slow, hard to use, or Nano Banana doesn't respond at all. This usually happens because daily usage limits are exceeded, and then server load is too high, and then access is restricted. So what you need to do is switch to fast versions. Just tap on thinking this one, and then just tap on fast versions like this. This fast version is free, unlimited, and more stable, and much faster for Nano Banana. And after switching to fast mode, Nano Banana usually works instantly again. And okay, maybe that's it. Your Google Gemini Nano Banana should be working perfectly now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.